Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Kat Scrappiness, and I'm here with the nesting stitched dome dies. This is a great foundation die set. There are 5 dies here with great stitching detail on each layer, and you can use them individually or layer them up. And when you layer them up, you can create frames, shakers with them, or as a foundation, just build up on it. Let me show you an example that I made. I actually turned mine into a Halloween banner featuring the Creepy and Kooky paper pack along with this die set, Creepy Crawly dies, and the new Spooky Boo word die. By turning it upside down, I believe it's this size, I was able to make a banner. So this is a very versatile set to add to your crafty stash. And the largest die is a full A2 size, meaning that it is 4¼ inch wide, 5½ inch tall, and then it comes on in. So you can take this set beyond just using it as a window per se, but you can use it for scene building to create depth in your scene, as a banner, as a shaker. So there's plenty of options with a wonderful die set like this. Details are listed below. Thanks for watching.